It's actually cute. This is
This for us even to put an art kind of shot like
Go way above the double stand.
y'all. That's like a hot water, you know.
Don't mind?
Yeah, you know, sip. When I get warm, I need my little sip, and I go for the day.
You ain't good for the day.
What?
Go wear your shoes?
You ain't gonna take me.
Oh.
I don't like that. I want this one to just start with it done.
I'm ready. Yeah. Another one? I don't know how I look. I'm sweaty. Yeah. Yeah.
I'm gonna have to jump off of 2 feet.
Should I squat down? I just made myself dizzy.
Let me do a 2 foot dunk first. I know what's in the down one.
Move.
Yeah.
I should record the whole thing. No, it's not fun no more.
Yeah.
That's so what? So, this is going to be a Sunday. I don't know. Not even a self-care because we're not self-caring. We're just a Sunday. What I do on a Sunday. Or this Sunday. Man, just come with us on a Sunday. right now. We just had some like Mexican ice cream stuff. It was so good, and I'm really thinking about going back to get the tamarind flavor. It was so freaking good. What else? Shoot. I'm gonna cut that part out, but I'm supposed to be recording. I ain't do shit. He played basketball. Oh, there's really shit. I probably look like I got no freaking edges, but it's probably because I don't have none. And if you're laughing at a bitch, I don't got no edges. You're an evil ass hoe. But that's not what I want to talk about. I haven't been doing shit, so like weekly vlogs or whatever. Haven't been doing nothing. But man, it's like so much shit in my head, and somebody pulling up. I'm about to look weird as hell. Talk to myself, so I'm about to act like I'm on FaceTime. Bye.
Come. You funny, you know. Come. Good boy. Come. He gonna run. I know.
Look at the other one running.
Come. Yeah.
Yay for
Hey. Yeah, you can open it now. A little bit.
so she's a bob. Can you wait? A little side part. Her.
What you in here doing?
Trying to look at myself.
Looking what?
Trying to look at myself. That's cool shit.
Trying? Yeah, you do.
I think so.
Yeah.
How you think I look?
Amazing. I ain't even gotta look.
Funny.
You don't know what's going on. Come on.
Like I know what's going on, but like I don't know.
Don't be too obvious to you know?
That was too much, right?
Fun.
This is my favorite one so far.
There's one.
Yeah.
It's a good
I
one.
think it's a girl. And I'm gonna call her. I don't have a name. I wanna see more.